Okay, everybody, we're in the boat. But where's Paul?
Surprise.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll go above. Hey look, there are more islands. Uh-oh, there's a thunderstorm. Help, I'm about to fall now.
Russell and Red Hoodie Guy, what are you doing here?
We're here to save you from getting stroked by lightning.
Let's skedaddle.
Dude, look out! There's a thunderstorm.
Later when they got back on the island.
Where are we?
We're on an island, kiddos.
Hey look. There's a cave with treasure.
We need to put Carrion in a tight rope.
Why am I on a tightrope so I can get the treasure? There. I got the treasure.
Let's get on the boat with our treasure.